Hello guys, how are you? I think you are doing well. So today I am going to show you how you can use two WhatsApp in your one phone. It might be helpful when you want to use two number in different two WhatsApp for your purpose, important purpose. So I am going to show you that. You can see here one of my WhatsApp and other WhatsApp. So I am using two WhatsApp into my one app. Before showing my video how can you use it, I am simply uninstalling my second WhatsApp. Then simply I have to go Google Play Store. From Google Play Store you have to search WhatsApp. You can see here WhatsApp, so you have to click on. Then you have to make sure your WhatsApp updated. So I have updated my WhatsApp, so I am simply open my WhatsApp. Then upper side here you can see three dot line, so you have to click on three dot line. After three dot line you have to go setting. From setting you have to click chats. Then you will can see here below here chats backups. You have to click on it and you have to click on backup. You have to first ensure that your chat backup on, so you have to click on it. You can see my chat backup become on. Then you have to memorize it and you have to go again Play Store. From Play Store you have to search BUSSINESS business WATSAPP business WhatsApp. You can see here business WhatsApp. So this app you have to install. You can see the other WhatsApp is installed, so you have to simply click on it. It's taking time for loading. You have to click on agree and continue. Then so it's the number you have in your phone. Now you want to add another number, so you have to tap on use different number. So after clicking different number you have to add another number, like I am adding. You can see here I added the number. So they send me a code, then the number they have been verified. Then you have to tap here continue and all the function you have to click continue. Then you have to select here a category, so you have to select other business. You can select any one of them. Then you have to click on next. So you can see here I used a bad name or 1 2 3 in this name. For this reason they are not taking my name, so I am using another name. FNBSSO Shopee shop. You can see here they now take it. Then you have to click here get started. You can see here all the thing here. Now you can start your chat from here. You can see here from here you can message any of them. So this is the process of using two WhatsApp in one phone. So thank you.